10 ways to fix facial asymmetry, at home and basically for free. You don't need orthodontists, surgeons, or Botox. You can fix part of your asymmetry literally while you sleep. Number 1, sleep on your back, not on your side. Think about it. Every single night, you put your face under the press of your own head for 6 to 8 hours, and always on the same side. That compresses the tissue, and at a young age, it even affects how the bone forms. This is the number 1 cause of acquired asymmetry. Basically, you're giving yourself a nightly massage with a steamroller, then wondering why one side has drifted off. Life hack: barricade yourself with pillows like a baby so you can't roll over, and train yourself to fall asleep on your back on purpose. The first few nights will feel weird, then your body adjusts. Number 2, chew on both sides. Most people chew on one side and don't even realize it. And this works just like the gym. Train only one bicep and you'll walk around lopsided. Same story with your chewing muscle. The working side gets bulkier and your face pulls to one side. The fix: put solid food on both cheeks at once and fire up both sides together. And consciously switch the side you bite with. Yeah, for the first week, you'll chew like a robot on manual control. After that, autopilot. Number 3, fix your posture. You spend all day glued to your phone, head down and jutting forward like a turtle. That position shifts your whole jaw. One side gets overloaded, the muscles pull unevenly, and hello, asymmetry. Keep your head up, chin slightly tucked, and raise the screen to eye level instead of dragging your nose down to the screen. This one habit takes the load off both your neck and your jaw. Now, the exercises. Your face needs a gym too, but this membership is free and there's no line for the machines. Number 4, cheek lifts. Smile with just the corners of your lips, no teeth, and feel your cheeks ride up toward your cheekbones. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and slowly release. Here's the trick. Laziness is banned asymmetrically. Give the weaker, flatter cheek 1.5 times more reps so it catches up to the stronger one. It's like bringing up a lagging leg at the gym. You train the part that's behind harder. Number 5, jaw releases. Picture the biggest yawn of your life, but in slow motion. Open your mouth as wide as it goes, pull your jaw down, hold for a few seconds, and close it smoothly. 10 to 15 reps. Then add some tone. Push your lower lip out like you've just been mortally offended, and pull your chin up, feeling the tension along your jaw. It releases the tightness and sharpens the very line everyone's fighting for. Number 6, mewing, proper tongue position. At rest, your tongue shouldn't be flopping around the floor of your mouth. It should rest gently against the roof, the whole thing, especially the back. Critical part: equal pressure on both sides. Breathe through your nose, not your mouth. The main mistake is pressing harder on one side. That way, you're not evening your face out, you're diligently sculpting the asymmetry in. Keep your tongue up all day until it becomes your default position. Now for the cheap but effective tools. Number 7, gua sha or a roller massager. Often, one cheek is bigger, isn't fat or bone, it's plain puffiness, trapped water. Gua sha drives it out. Run the scraper from your chin toward your ear in short, confident strokes at about a 15-degree angle. Imagine you're squeegeeing water off glass. Steel holds the cold longer and clears puffiness better. Jade or quartz glide more nicely. 5 minutes in the morning, and your face looks fresh, not just off the pillow. Number 8. Now you'll have to spend a little money and buy a jaw exerciser. It's basically a dumbbell for your chewing muscles. Same rule as with food. Work it symmetrically, both sides equally. Start training just one, and you'll say hello to an even bigger imbalance. Symmetry or nothing. Number 9. Mouth tape at night. Sounds like a form of torture, works dead simple. You tape your lips with special tape so you breathe through your nose in your sleep, not your mouth. Mouth breathing wrecks jaw development over the years and drags asymmetry along with it. Nose breathing plus your tongue on the palate is the foundation everything else stands on. Number 10. Collagen peptides, 10 to 15 grams a day. Collagen leaves with age unevenly, and your face starts falling apart differently on each side. A daily dose of peptides keeps the skin even on both sides. It's not a magic powder and it won't deliver results in a week, but as a boost to everything else, it's a strong move. So, most of the imbalance you see in the mirror, you built yourself with habits. Which means you'll take it apart with habits too. Drop a comment telling me which side is your stronger one, and subscribe if you want to keep leveling up your look without surgeons.